Out of the trunk on the chair. It is fantastic, right? But we know that Indians are still connected to the roots and the stories that we see in the villages, majorly the local, the folk stories that we know. So how are you gonna match that and relate to people out there, or is just that we'll have the different audience for this film, maybe the urban audience only?
Thank you for asking that question. It's very important to understand, and now I'm speaking from the producer's chair. And this is something Varun and me connect on in a big way, which is why we've partnered. Films never fail. Rule 1, budgets fail. Rule 2, every film has a very specific audience. If you don't know who you're making the film for, it's a recipe for failure. When Vikas and me were writing, and Vikas is here, he can vouch for it, we knew this film is not for the grassroots of India. The fact that it has considerable amount of English in it is testimony to the fact that it will appeal to people who can speak the language. So we were not delusional. We knew who we are making this film for, what the genre is, who it will attract. At the same time, sometimes I feel as a film fraternity, we have a Hindi में एक मुहावरा है कुएं का मेढक syndrome. We think what we are seeing is the world. There is a world out there, and our audiences are so smart that they want to explore that world. We as filmmakers have the responsibility to serve it to them so that they can start reacting to newer concepts, newer kinds of films, and by God's grace it's happening now. So when Varun and me have decided to release this film also, we are very clear on who our TG is, who are the people who are going to watch this film, which is why we are only coming in 15 cities in India. You know, cities A and some B plus tier cities. Because the thing with having Max on board as a marketing partner is they know the pulse of which state, which city, having Cinepolis as a partner. I have personally sat down and looked at businesses of Ship of Thesis, of Delhi Belly, of Knives Out. We are only coming in theatres where people have gone to watch those films. That's how you create a model. It can't happen by talk. It needs groundwork, it needs research, and that is what we are trying to do. So we are not at all wanting this film to work in Darbhanga. Let's get that straight. We want this film to work in the 15 cities. Hopefully, that will create a set of audiences. Who knows, it might, actually. I would like to be wrong and be slapped in my face for that. I love being wrong because I learn something every time I'm wrong. But for now, whatever limited knowledge Varun and me have, we have tried to put it out there for a very specific audience. And I think that's how every film should be looked at. It should not be a blanket for all. And I think Max especially is doing that very well when they market films.
Hi Anshuman, Priyanka, दैनिक जागरण से.
Hi Priyanka, thank you for coming.
हाय. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि आपने अभी कहा कि मुझे पसंद है कि मुझे डायरेक्टर ये बताए कि मुझे क्या नहीं करना है, क्योंकि आपने इस फिल्म का निर्देशन किया है. इन सभी एक्टर्स के जो बहुत कमाल के एक्टर्स हैं, इनको आपने क्या बताया कि क्या नहीं करना है, क्या जरूरत पड़ी?
नहीं, देखिए वर्कशॉप और प्रोसेस की खूबसूरती ये है. देखिए मैं बचपन में क्रिकेट खेलता था और मैं दिन के 6 घंटे नेट्स करता था. I played for Delhi, so that was my other big passion skills. I can't go in a match and decide what I want to do. Which is why the process of preparation and rehearsal is where the real art lies. Then your craft takes over and you perform on set in the given circumstances. Because set पे बहुत चीजें सही हो सकती हैं, गलत हो सकती हैं. There can be a snowstorm, which there was. Cars can go into water, which they went. Cars can ram into gates because there was snow on the floor. You will get late. एक scene जो 4 घंटे में shoot होना था, उसके लिए 2 घंटा मिलेगा. These actors in their workshop, the thing with good actors, और मैं प्रियंका एक लाइन में बोलूँगा, I don't think there are good or bad actors. There are actors and non-actors. The good thing with actors is they are always surrendering and they are opening themselves up to exploration, which all these 5 actors have the gift of. So when you're working with such talent, all you need to do is nudge them and they bring out more than what is needed. So I didn't have to tell them or push them or explain to them something. In fact, they surprised me. There are 2 scenes, I have seen the film so many times, but there are more than a few scenes where I still get goosebumps because the choice I had in mind, they made a different choice which was better. And I think that's the director's job. to let the actors fly, because the story is being told through this tool. You know, they are serving the story. My job as a director is to surrender to the story, and that's what I have done. Like, and that's the biggest difference I have felt, because I've acted till now, and now I'm directing. As an actor, you serve a story. As a director, you surrender to the story. अगर आपके सवाल का जवाब मैंने नटशेल में दिया, मुझे इनको ज़्यादा कुछ बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी। वर्कशॉप में हो गया था जो होना था। हमने एक बाउंड्री सेट कर ली थी इसके अंदर के लिए।
रसिका, मेरा सवाल आपसे है। अंशुमन ने कहा कि आप लेडी शाहरुख खान है, वैसी है या फीमेल शाहरुख खान है। ये टैग कितनी जिम्मेदारियां लाता है? टैग तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन जैसे उन्होंने एक छोटे से शब्द में, तो इसको आप कैसे लेते हैं?
This is the first time I'm hearing it, and it's such a great compliment. I'm fully gloating about it. So I'm still absorbing it. But it's a great compliment. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next.
सिनेमा में हमने देखा है कि रोम कॉम हो, थ्रिलर हो, इस तरह का जॉनर काफी चलता है। बाहर ऑडियंस, जो फॉरेन ऑडियंस है, इस तरह का जॉनर वहाँ चलता है। डू यू थिंक इस टाइप का जॉनर जब इंडियन सिनेमा या फिर हिंदी ऑडियंस देखेगी तो चलेगा? ये एक बड़ा टास्क होता है, क्योंकि हिंदी सिनेमा को रोम कॉम, कॉमेडी, थ्रिलर इस तरह की चीजें चलती है ज़्यादा। तो डू यू थिंक इट्स अ वेरी बिग रिस्क फॉर यू?
सर, क्या डायलॉग था? रिस्क है तो इश्क है।
वो शाहरुख का डायलॉग है।
Number one, I can list out 5 films right now which are genre films and that have done very well. 2 I have already mentioned. Delhi Belly was a genre film. Death in the Gunj was a pure genre film. According to me, the best film for me in this century. I love that film. जहाँ तक दूसरी बात है, आप सक्सेस और रिस्क की बात कर रहे हो, हर फिल्म का रिस्क मीटर अलग होता है। अभी क्या हो गया, हम लोग इतना नंबर ऑब्सेस्ड हो गए हैं ना कि हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं हर फिल्म को 10 करोड़, 50 करोड़, 100 करोड़। ये हिंदुस्तान की पहली फिल्म है जिसको बफलो 8, जो कि अमेरिका की सबसे बड़ी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एजेंसी है, रेजर हील फेस्टिवल होता है यूरोप में, यूरोप का सबसे बड़ा जॉनर फेस्ट है, वहाँ फिल्म लेके दे पिक दिस फिल्म। आपको एक चीज़ समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अगर पिक्चर 5 रुपए की है तो उसको 100 रुपए करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप समझ रहे हैं? तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट द सक्सेस मीटर्स दैट वी हैव पुट ऑन सिनेमा इन जनरल, नंबर ओरिएंटेड। मेरी पहली फिल्म लव सेक्स और धोखा 2 करोड़ में बनी थी, 22.5 करोड़ का बिजनेस था उसका। टॉकिंग बिजनेस नाउ, इट वाज अ ब्लॉकबस्टर बाय स्टैंडर्ड्स, 11 टाइम्स द मनी। लेकिन देयर आर आल्सो अदर फिल्म्स that have done not that much but are equally successful because their sales internationally have covered numbers that we can't even imagine. एक सिंपल उदाहरण दूंगा, एक बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है लंच बॉक्स। लंच बॉक्स का अगर मैं आपको इंटरनेशनल सेल्स रिपोर्ट के नंबर्स दिखा दूं तो आप शॉक में आ जाओगे। यहाँ के ब्लॉकबस्टर्स के मुकाबले इट्स डन डबल द नंबर। लेकिन यहाँ जो मैंने पहले बोला, वो कुएं में मेढक सिंड्रोम, क्या होता है ना, हम ऑब्सेस हो गए हैं थोड़ा नंबर्स से। 100 करोड़, 200 करोड़, वीकेंड क्या है। पुराने ज़माने में क्या होता था, शोले भी जब खुली थी, पिक्चर ओपन नहीं होती थी, ग्रो करती थी। हमें नई चीज़ें देनी चाहिए जिससे उसको मौका मिले ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रो करने का। अभी ये इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन के चक्कर में हम पहले ही स्टैम्प लगा देना चाहते हैं सक्सेस या फेलियर। वरुण और मैं बिल्कुल क्लियर हैं इस मामले में कि इस पिक्चर के साथ हम इसको वो चांस देंगे। एक पिक्चर एक बच्चे की तरह होता है, आप समझिए। मेरी अभी 18 महीने की बच्ची है, तो मैं ये डायरेक्ट एनालॉजी कर सकता हूँ कि हर बच्चा यूनिक होता है। अगर आप हर बच्चे को एक ही जैसे बड़ा करेंगे तो आप फेलियर्स देंगे, और वही हो रहा है हमारी जिंदगियों में और फिल्मों में। तो जॉनर फिल्म इंडिया में सक्सेस बहुत हुए हैं पिछले 20 साल में। मैं आपको 3 नाम तो ऐसे ही दे चुका हूँ, और भी दे सकता हूँ। वरुण, एनी मोर नेम्स, जॉनर फिल्म्स दैट come to your mind that have done numbers? Sayyara is a pure genre film. It's a romance as a genre. I mean, and nobody gave it a chance. Narsimha, thank you. Narsimha, great example. Who gave it a chance? Who gave Narsimha a chance? If my friend Mayank is here from Cinepolis, he will tell you best. Nobody gave that film an opportunity and a chance, and the film grew from 500 screens to 1,000 screens to 1,500 screens. वो उस फिल्म का स्केल था। हम डिल्यूजन नहीं है, हमें पता है ये 1500 स्क्रीन वाली फिल्म नहीं है, 1000 स्क्रीन। हम अपने लेवल पे ग्रो करेंगे इस फिल्म की साइज के हिसाब से। सो सिनेमा इज आर्ट एंड कॉमर्स, लेकिन हमें उसे बॉक्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है। एवरी फिल्म कैन हैव अ यूनिक स्ट्रेटजी फॉर रिलीज एंड फॉर द स्केल ऑफ रिलीज। एंड ये सीखना और समझना बहुत जरूरी है सबके लिए, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ मेनस्ट्रीम फिल्म्स आर फेलिंग आल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, क्योंकि ये टेम्पलेट में जा रहा है 1000 स्क्रीन 2000 स्क्रीन। इट्स बेटर टू डू 50% बिजनेस in 200 screens than doing 10% business in 1000 screens, because then you can grow.
थैंक यू।
Of course, Indian market and foreign market. India is my country. I make ये picture Indians जो बाहर देश के रहते हैं उसके बारे में, आइडेंटिटी के बारे में। जब आप यूके में रहते हो, आप इंडियन हो, क्या आप ब्रिटिश हो? और मैंने अपने दोस्तों को देखा है इससे स्ट्रगल करते हुए। उनको उनका एक्सेंट बदलता है, लेकिन फिर जब वो इंडिया आते हैं तो ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट में बात करते हैं। और मैं मुझसे बेहतर इंसान नहीं हो सकता इस बारे में बात करने के लिए, क्योंकि मेरी अमेरिकन है। तो आई हैव अ क्रॉस एंगल ऑन बोथ साइड्स। जब मैं अमेरिका जाता हूँ मुझे इमिग्रेंट बोला जाएगा, वो इंडिया आती है उसको एक्सपैट बोला जाता है। किसने बनाए ये रूल्स? क्यों हो रहा है? अभी दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है ये आपको भी पता है। ये फिल्म आइडेंटिटी के बारे में है और एशियंस के बारे में है। एक बांग्लादेशी पिज्जा बॉय है, 4 इंडियंस हैं, यूके में अटके हुए हैं अपनी अपनी जिंदगी और जद्दोजहद में, लेकिन वो कौन है? ये फिल्म उसके बारे में। दैट ह्यूमन एलिमेंट माय फ्रेंड इज आई थिंक अ क्वेश्चन ऑल ऑफ अस हैव। You who are we? Hello.
हाँ
This is Bharat from Update Now. Question is to Paresh. Paresh, as an actor, how different was it to work under a director who is also an actor?
Thank you, Bharat. That's a very interesting question. I think it was very good because he understood how not to direct. That's very important sometimes. A film like this was like very theatre. All 4 of us, all 5 of us were flowing, we were feeding off each other's energy. And allowing that energy, I think, is the best direction sometimes, or how not to over-direct. And I think it didn't feel like it was Anshuman's first film. It felt like he's been doing this for a very, very long time. And we had the best time. And I think, like he said, कि set पे जाने तो बस एक formality होती है. The time we spent before that, before the workshop, the time we spent with each other, laughing, eating together, he also put us, other than the shoot, he also put us in one mansion together. हम साथ में रह रहे थे सब. ऐसा नहीं था कि सब अलग-अलग रह रहे हैं, साथ में रह रहे हैं. ये मेरा कमरा है, सामने अर्जुन का है, और पूरा इसको मैं हॉस्टल में घूमता हुआ देख रहा हूँ, फिर साइड पे भी देख रहा हूँ. So the bond actually came from there because we were so comfortable with each other by the time we reached on set, and we were eating together again. That kind of dancing people together. So बहुत मजा आया. I think it was a very different experience, and I would love to. I've told you, anytime he's doing something, I'd love to do it again.
Hi everyone. Here I am. Thank you. SRK here. So, what attracted you the most about this film, about your character?
I have to admit that it is a very author-driven part, and I think thank you Vikas for that, because जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, मैंने ऐसी बहुत सारी प्रोजेक्ट्स की जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी और मुझे लगा है कि कहानी में बहुत दम है, बाकी किरदारों के पास बहुत कुछ है करने को, मेरे किरदार में है वो बात, लेकिन वो मुझे बनाना पड़ेगा और मुझे वो काम करना पड़ेगा. और उससे मेरा ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं ज़्यादा फुटेज खा लूँ या मुझे ज़्यादा लाइन्स चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं. लेकिन उसमें उसको शाइन करने के लिए कुछ मुझे ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा. And that has been a very interesting challenge, and I felt very happy when that has worked also. But when I read this part, I felt, for the first time, I felt this is a character which really has a backing from the audio, And so my job became very serious. Sometimes I should give myself that opportunity also. Also, I think it tells a very this character. I felt like there was so much about the women I had gone after, कि आज तक मैं किसी भी रूम में जाऊँ तो मुझे लगता है कि उस रूम की पीस को मेंटेन करना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. और and the first time, half of the film, you do see a lot of that, and then that changes, you know. So I was very sort of moved by that, personally moved by that also.
Thank you. My next question is for Anshuman. See, Anshuman, whenever we talk about, movie filmmakers, they have copied the films, right? So how do you draw the line that you only pay the homage to the filmmaker and not, directly inspired from the film?
You don't copy the films. You don't play the DVD on set and go frame by frame. See, homage is something. मैं बड़े simple दो शब्दों में. If you are authentic and if your intent is honest, you will never do something with a film or a play that in any way cheats. Alfred Hitchcock for me is a figure that in my lifetime, if I can even achieve 1%, cinematically speaking, I'm not talking box office, I'm not talking because see, we are 70 years away from, or 65 years away from the last film, and we are still talking about it. So when Vikas and me were writing, and again Vikas can vouch for this, I imagined this film as a single lens film because when the camera's depth of field, अभी जैसे मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ, मैं zoom in तो कर नहीं रहा, मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ, right? ये already depth organically fixed है. जब आप lens नहीं बदलते हैं, तो audience की depth भी fix हो जाती है 10 मिनट के बाद. They subconsciously get used to it. Then they start feeling like they are in the room if you have done a decent job as a filmmaker, which you will tell me after watching the film if I have done or not. So the choice of using a single lens was more script driven because it's a pure chamber film. 70% of the film is inside one house. It dictated, the script dictated that choice. The fact that Alfred Hitchcock has done this over the years definitely subconsciously has been in my influence. But I would say this is an out and out homage for the simple reason that I didn't say मैं एक लेंस पे फिल्म शूट करूँगा बिकॉज़ अब ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी. उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी. स्क्रिप्ट के दौरान हमारे जैमिंग में हमें लगा कि इसका बेस्ट नैरेटिव स्टाइल एंड लैंग्वेज होगा अगर ऑडियंस ऐसा फील करे कि वो कमरे में है इन लोगों के साथ. I want the audience to be the sixth character. What's the best way to technically achieve that? I have used the Cook i7 lenses, which are glorious pieces of lenses. Like, it's a toy, I want to just cuddle and sleep. They're just the results you see. It's beautiful. But the challenge, and I had all the lenses by the way. When you take an Cook i7 series, you get the whole bank. There is a certain magic, and Jean-Marc Selva, who's the French DP, for one shot, he really wanted me to change the lens. But I said, if we are going pure, and I believe in this in life, I believe in this philosophy of 0 and 100. I live a very, what's the word? Binary. अब आपको पसंद नहीं आया वो आपका पर्सपेक्टिव है. मेरा बड़ा 0 और 100 का सीन है मेरा. अगर मैं कुछ करूँगा, मैं अभी 14 घंटे काम करूँगा, मैं घर जाके अपने कुत्तों को घुमाऊँगा. I will not get a dog walker. So if I take a responsibility, I'm going to be accountable for it, no matter how inconvenient it is. So same goes in my filmmaking. I am not going to cheat in any way the script and the story that man has written there. So the lens dictated that. The narrative was dictated by the story and not the other way around. When people take a DVD and play and copy, that is cheating. Oh, we were building neighbors before and now we are apartment neighbors.
Right.
Done?
Please go ahead.
My question is for Rasika and Anshuman. Like Anshuman said, that there's a lot of pressure on movies in terms
terms of the box office performance. So, as actors, how do you look at the starting volume and what's your joy of being a movie which doesn't have any convention?
पूरा डाल दिया बैठ में उस पर आराम से बैठो ना मना किया तुम थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है कौन मना किया
मेरा बॉक्स ऑफिस ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड आप देख लो.
मेरा तो रिश्ता ही नहीं है. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग व्हिच इज कन्वेंशनल. अगर आपके पास हो कुछ तो प्लीज बता दो.
No, okay. Basically, I think as artists,
ठंडी लग रहा मां की जल्दी
we
खत्म
just
कर
want
देना
to
मेरा
speaking for
साल
myself. I just want to do work that I connect with.
बजाता ही नहीं
मेरे को जो बस जो करने में मजा आएगा मुझे वो करना है.
अरे मजा
To be very honest with you, मैं ज़्यादा ना ही मैंने अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचा है, ना ही इंडियन सिनेमा के फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचा है, ना ही बॉक्स ऑफिस के बारे में. Moment to moment, I see something instinctively, if it's touched me or stirred something or made some kind of thought, provoked a thought, then I want to bring that to the audience. Not always the best judge of कि कौन audience इसे देखेगी नहीं देखेगी, and that's nobody's control. आप ही control में जो काम आप कर सकते हो और आपका जब दिल किसी चीज में हो तभी आप अच्छा काम कर सकते हो. To be very honest. तो मैंने करके देख लिया एक बार. मुझसे पैसे के लिए एक फिल्म करी.
अरे बैटरी चली
But in
जाएगी
retrospect, I
खत्म कर
hated the
जब
experience.
3 शूट
You
और
know, of being on that set every day. Was miserable on that set every day. तो
तीसरा कौन
बस
सा
इसमें मजा है. That's it.
तीसरा कौन सा
I think as actors you have the luxury of making a luxury.
what
I
is
think that's
it?
the only way to
What
make,
is it?
make choices as actors. That to have no strategy is the
Really?
strategy, I feel.
Really, what?
Because as producers and maybe as directors you can't.
एक्चुअली वाटी तो यही है भाई
As
इसका नाम
actors, I think you should.
असली वाटी तो यही है
Can I, Mayur, right? Can I ask you a question?
अरे ले
What is conventional?
अच्छा अरुण को नहीं पूछा
What is, so just define, say 6 boxes for me.
गाड़ी मारते
Masala. Masala is conventional. So if I may ask, and out of respect, because you're a very respected film journalist, a Death in the Lunch, was it conventional or not conventional? It was a pure genre film. Do you know the business of that film and the cost of making it?
कहाँ से मालूम है वो रिपोर्टर थोड़ी
I'm getting there.
वाइल है
I'm getting there. राइटर ने बोला पिक्चर में मसाला है. इस पिक्चर में इतना मसाला है. देखिए हम लोगों ने क्या किया है ना, आइटम नंबर ये वो भर भर के दिमाग में एक टेम्पलेट बना दिया है. You know you only go into a box when you're dead boss. Don't make boxes before that. मसाले भी बहुत होते हैं. मतलब लाल मिर्च गरम मसाला छोड़कर there's also basil, oregano और हमें अच्छा लगता है चिली पेपर. तो ये कन्वेंशनल टर्म जो है ना ये हमारे दिमाग में बिल्कुल गया है. ये पिक्चर मसालेदार और बॉक्स भी है and it's not a joke.
and it's not a joke.
So we are not again. Yeah, we have to re-educate ourselves. I can cite 5 films right now in this post-COVID, which have done numbers that are bigger than their, and it's a mix of mostly South Indian films. One of the good reasons why they are doing is because they don't put these boxes. They imagine a story and they make it honest, and that's why the audience connects with it. So let's not also that there who है ना, there's enough of that. And there are people who are really good at doing it. We can take well, you know, I think ये वो बहुत है.
उसकी पेन क्या है इसको नहीं कौन
हाँ ठीक है. मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है वो बॉक्स वाली फिल्म है. By the way, I'm not.
Making it, I don't mind being in one is what I'm saying.
I love Singham, and I'm telling you, the first Singham, love it. Ticks all the boxes. But I also love so many other films that have done great numbers. Bija Fry, Once Upon a Time, broke the rule, right? At that time, it was an out-of-the-box film which worked. Recently, there have been Khosla ka Ghosla, LSD. How will you define LSD? My first film. Is it box or out of the box?
नीचे का भी पिएगा
Out of the box, 11 times the numbers, guys. I'm talking business here. 2 crores to 22.5 crores. A lot of conventional films don't do that. I don't think Besharam did 22.5 crores. So, conventional film, right? So this conventional definition, the more we make cinema like this, which is where again Max and my partnership is critical, we have to make aesthetic, strong movies and create an ecosystem for them to thrive. Until the distribution, the marketing and the production don't come together, there is no hope. what Varun and me are trying to do is create a ecosystem which gives films like this a hope, as long as they are clear about the TG. What sir asked me right at the outset, your TG has to be clear. Who and what you are making the film for has to be clear. So I would like to believe this is a very conventional film.
चलो थैंक यू
Yeah, we take 2 more questions, right?
अरे बाप रे बाप
Jaya from Karata, India. So before presented by Anurag Kashyap, and his thought was even pure for this film. Then what happened? Why didn't that take place?
तुमको क्यों बताओ
Yeah, Anurag sir saw this film and loved it, and he's been very kind. And his reviews also on the trailer. See, I don't have any one answer for that, but I will try to. We are all living very busy lives with a lot of things. And to quote Anurag Kashyap sir, he kind of ghosted me for 3 months because he likes saying that about somebody who's not amongst us. He's amongst us and I am amongst us, so I can respectfully say that. I didn't hear from him for 3 months, and there was no way for me to keep waiting. So when he disappeared like that, I didn't have a choice. And Varun came on board. My intention and my commitment. देखिए मुझे और इसीलिए मुझे difficult होता है सबके साथ काम करना, क्योंकि मेरा ट्रिप गाड़ी पैसा नहीं है, मुझे सिर्फ फिल्में बनानी है और मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता। देखिए मेरी ज़रूरतें बहुत कम है,
3 बजे बुलाया
इसीलिए
सुसु किया बदमाश
क्या बोला तुमने? मेरे सीने में दम है, गुड लाइन, या मेरी नियत में दम है, whatever that stands for. So I am very clear. Nobody owes me anything. I don't owe anyone. He loved the film, and I'm very grateful to him for that. He came on board and said, "I will present it." I am supremely grateful to him for that. And then, if he wasn't there when we reached out to him repeatedly, I can't indefinitely wait. So I have done the next best thing for the film because I'm responsible to the investors, to the actors, everybody who's given their time, and he will still support the film. I know that when the film comes out. But when I don't hear from someone, and this is again, I'm going back to my first statement, accountability. Some communication always helps keep things moving forward. Even something like I can't do it. So I didn't know whether it's happening, not happening. I gave it 3 months. 100 days is my magic rule for anything. इंसानों के साथ 3 chances और time wise 100 days. अगर किसी ने 3 चीज़ बार-बार की गलत, तो मैं फिर हाथ जोड़ के पीछे हट जाता हूँ, और अगर 100 दिन में किसी ने जवाब नहीं दिया, तो मैं उसको ड्रॉप कर देता हूँ. No hard feelings. Maybe it's not meant to happen.
डन चलो थैंक यू हो गया भाई चल गया जोर से बोल.
One thing is for sure, I'll come to you. आपका mind जब तक fix हो रहा है कि we've done this a couple of times, more than a couple of times, but इतना passion, Anshuman, from a director producer, from the entire cast, we've never seen this. So I think that is what makes it so amazing and so great, you know. So इस बात के लिए I think एक बार इस पूरी टीम के लिए तालियां बजाएं. This entire process, वो you know, it's something different and out of it.
और इसीलिए ना ट्रेलर लॉन्चेस में सीटें भरनी जाती हैं, जिससे आपको ऐसा लगे कि ये कन्वेंशनल तालियां बजती हैं. हम आपको लाए हैं यहाँ, आप पे ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं. Friends, as our media, if you like the trailer, please help us fill these seats in theater with your word.
Okay.
We are not giving you fake claps here, fill money given claps. वो सब नहीं कर रहे हैं हम, क्योंकि हमें आप पे ट्रस्ट है. सो अगर आपको ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा, प्लीज स्प्रेड द वर्ड.
इधर है. So firstly, I saw the trailer, lovely, suspense and mystery है. So my question is to Arjun sir. From international shows to Indian cinema, you have built a balance करना art को, which you are so good in that. So what drew you to this film?
Nice question.
The confusion of कि ये क्या है, ये फिल्म, ये थ्रिलर है, ये कॉमेडी है, ये सस्पेंस है, कि मर्डर मिस्ट्री है, ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I could not put it in one box. And when I can't put something in a box, I like that. You know, because I don't like to be in a box. And we've spoken about boxes. And there's a box in the film. But so number one, it was really that. And then, you know, the opportunity to work with friends and people whose work I've respected deeply. It's just that. And also the character that I've gotten to play actually is something that I have never had the chance to do before. And I was very surprised actually. जब अंशुमन मेरे पास ही लाया पहली बार, मेरा पहला सवाल यही था, how did you see me doing this? Because I can do this really well, but ये पहले कभी किसी ने नहीं, nobody has brought anything like this to me. So definitely what I've gotten to do in this film is something completely different from what I have been so far known for, and who are picking me.
You know, I'll just quickly add one thing to that. So this film and again credit to Vikas, his character is the hardest to play because there are no crutches. From the writer, it's a flat line when you read it. So I needed an actor who can understand the nuance of it and build the heartbeat of the character. And I personally feel it's Arjun's best work. He's won the Best Actor award in the UK Asian Festival by BFI last year for this film. And I truly hope people see that this is the best actor called Arjun in India and he gets more work because he deserves it.
Thank you.
One last question, we take.
Hi, Janika. Hi, I'm Kavisha from Bollywood. Okay. Right here. So first of all, congratulations, Anshuman and everyone. It's amazing. The trailer looks amazing. Tanvi, I would like to ask you. We've talked about everything now, but how was your experience for people sitting here? And you said that these kind of characters attract. But what was that one thing in the script which attracted you to do this? Because as Anshuman said, sometimes to work on these kind of scripts. So what was that one thing which attracted you?
I think I do see the kind of films I do, like I think I am attracted to risky films anyway. I didn't think this was actually a risky film as such, but but the script was amazing. It's just based on a play. I come from theatre, so I love that about that. And yeah, I think working with all of them was amazing. I think I talked about the workshop a lot. And for me, like anything I do, I like to workshop it before. I'm not a very on-off actor. I try to start with my work, so I need that time and space. And that actually gave us that time, this very short period of time was amazing for me. To workshop with people like Rasika and Arjun. Arjun and I actually have done a few projects together, but never been on screen together, so this was amazing for me. He's actually, it's the third, after Indian Summers in Living Heaven. And what was amazing is that I met Arjun before I even moved to Bombay. We met on a set there, and we met because he wanted my cigarettes, classic ones. Anyway, and Rasika, I'm a huge fan of Rasika. Like when I watched Manto, I was just so blown away. Like, I'd seen her in Issa as well, but Manto was like, she's so amazing. And so it was a dream. Like, so when he said Rasika's on board, I think there were many times there were D&D shows also happening. I was shooting something else when the film was happening. But I think I held on because of Arjun and Rasika and the script itself. I didn't want to let go. What's the other question? You had something else? So and then once I got the second, Paresh was there, Zoha was amazing. She was my set mate, what is it called? Green roommate, so fun on set, so fun with that.
Done.
The question is for Arjun. आएंगे जरूर आएंगे. So the trailer looks really wonderful. There is so much of tension. There are so many secrets. And what I liked is I think इसके तो बोल रहा हूँ अब रहने दो. नहीं वो मजाक कर रहा है. फिलहाल कर देते हैं. नहीं वाला. अरे तुम लोग का बकचोदी बंद कर जाएगा. मारवाड़ी एक दो माना सही से धारो लेती है.
There were so many. First of all, in the middle of our shoot, there was this.
भूल गया था तो कैसे देना?
ये
अरे छुट्टियाँ.
या 40 साल में यूरोप में सबसे बड़ा हुआ हरिकेन हमारे शूट के दौरान हुआ। सो वी वर शूटिंग इन स्नो, व्हाट इज फीलिंग क्या हुआ यार?
इवेंट चालू है फोन ऐप इनसे बाहर जा अरे छोड़ना भेज देना तुम
बैकअप कर रहा था ना तू
So ये कोविड था उस दौरान हम गए थे, so visas was like yeah.
बॉक्स के साथ कुछ मिसहैप वगैरह
इनको भर दो।
कुछ मिसाल मरीज था उसमें मेरे साथ।
There are pictures coming to prove that.
Just one more question regarding Anshuman. He kept talking about workshopping. I really like this talk. So what was your experience of workshopping with him?
It was great. Workshopping on any project, I think, should be an essential part of
तू पूछ के खत्म करना
because
नहीं पूछे तो तू
उसी में समझ आता
बड़ी
है
जगह पे पूछते
सब
नहीं
कुछ क्या है actually, what is this script about, क्या है, what you know, मेरा कैरेक्टर मुझे like I said, मैंने पहली बार जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा मेरे को बिल्कुल समझ ही नहीं आया क्या फिल्म बना रही है, क्या फिल्म बनाने निकले, लेकिन ये फीलिंग थी कि पर मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ। So, पर ये फिल्म क्या है एक्चुअली मुझे सिर्फ वर्कशॉप में समझ आया। For that actually full credit to of course writer Vikas Mishra because it was just
अरे तुम लोग सच में एकदम बेकार हो
उससे
यार।
भी ज़्यादा मुझे परफॉर्म करते हुए समझ आया। You know, I was finding nuance while performing. Then going to Anjuman,
इनसे पूरा डालूंगा गांडू आवाज ही नहीं आएगा।
you know,
क्या बोलते हैं?
मैंने पता ही नहीं चला। I think that's
फिर अंशुमन चालू हो जाएगा।
And that's the root of workshopping. You let the actors discover the magic. You don't direct them. This is the purpose of this scene. And intelligent actors. To the word intelligent. Intelligent actors discover magic.
लेगा भाई सीधा पैक कर देगा।
थैंक यू।
Anshuman, hi.
Yes.
Kavisha again. I noticed your dress as this
Even such silly things, I feel like I'm back to school. So yes, I'm glad you noticed. Thank you.
And the question is, you said that you have shot this on one lens. जबकि बाकी चीजें भी साथ में आती हैं, as you said, but it was on one lens. So how hard was it for you to work on it? And second question is, it's something out of the box. We all know AI is taking over the movies and everything. So working with this movie and as other projects coming up, do you think that AI is really taking over movies or cinema overall?
I'll answer the question in two parts because you asked two questions. What was the first one? Sorry. One lens. So single lens was, like I've already said, I had decided on the scripting stage that is going to be the language of the film. See,
और जोर से करिए और
a rule in my life, I think and then I do. I don't do and then think. Again, a recipe for disaster. If you act and then think post-acting, your life's going to be miserable. So I had decided this will be a single lens film, and then I followed that. Then nothing
उसी को पे लो।
can come. Jean-Marc tried to convince me to use one more lens, and I said, one lens film. This is how it's going to be. So, no, it was not difficult to answer your question because the decision was coming from the narrative, from the script, not from a personal choice. Second part, sorry, remind me again. I got been sleeping. Yeah, I don't think so. AI will never be able to take over. I have 2 more films in production right now as first-rate films which are coming out in December and Feb. The sequel of Lakadbaga is coming. It's the biggest hand-to-hand action film India has ever made. And I'm saying this openly. And every actor in that, we've got Dan Chipong, we've got Sunny Pang. You cannot create a Dan Chipong and Sunny Pang on AI as much as you like. You can't fight like that. It'll look mechanical.
Thank you.
So, similarly, you can't act like Rasika Duggal. You can't make the choices Rasika Arjo, Paresh Tanay make. A machine will never be able to do that. Having said that, what AI will do and is already doing is it will help VFX and the hygiene parts of cinema making get better and easier. Yeah, things are getting easier on a technical level because of support from AI. It's like now you will use ChatGPT to think of 10 headlines, say. It is not like it will choose the headline. You may choose to mix 3 combinations of a headline and put it, right? AI can only facilitate you. It will never be able to take over you because the emotion of a human can never be replicated by a machine. Definitely not in cinema. Maybe cartoons, animation, shock.
मोदी
But
बिरयानी
even
खाने
then the
गया।
writers will have to write it to a point where the emotion comes out.
चालू करवाया था
If there is no emotion, like my best man Parish says, क्या बोलता है तू? पक्का जी ने क्या बोला था?
भाई मॉल वॉल सब अभी 24 घंटा खुला रहेगा।
Pankaj Tripathi is very famous.
मॉल दुकान सब
Emotion से लोग क्यों?
गवर्नमेंट ने रूल पास किया।
अरे ट्रेन भी चालू रहना चाहिए भाई।
ट्रेन मेट्रो चालू रहना चाहिए, दुकान चालू है।
फिलहाल यहाँ बड़े सारे emotions
चलो थैंक यू
रूप से देखे गए।
यस क्या बात है।
To watch this film in theaters. Time to wrap this up, and I'd like to invite on stage some very important people, ladies and gentlemen. Max Marketing से founder साहब जो हमारे करता धरता वरुण गुप्ता. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. We want you on the stage, of course. We want Mayank Shroff sir.